Fifth standard students, I am solving for you from page number 157. Story we already have done, but here we will calculate. He made a 10 by 40 meter rectangle. Its area was 400 square meters. Still here you will write. So he next made a 30 by 20 meter rectangle. What is its area? It is more than the first rectangle. So now we will solve this question on the green board. Okay. After that, you will write given length of rectangle is equal to 30 meter, breadth is equal to 20 meter, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, 30 into 20, that means 600 square meter. So it is more than the 400 square meter. So we will write here its area 600 square meter. Yes, it is more than the first rectangle. Now more possibility will be there, so we will write the length and breadth, okay, for that. Now see this question. What other rectangles can he make with 100 meters of wire? Discuss which of this rectangle will have the biggest area. Area, that means a wire, by wire whatever space covered inside the wire, that means boundary we will make with the help of wire. So then we have seen 10 by 40. If we will take the perimeter, we will get 100 meter, and area we will get 400 meter. Now other option 30 by 20, if we will take boundary, that means perimeter, we will get 100 meter, and area we will get 600 square meter, and it is more than the first rectangle. Now what other rectangles can he make with 100 meters of wire? So next possibility may be 30 20 we have taken, 10 40 we have taken. Now next possibility is 25 by 25. So all the sides, if we will take equal, that means 20 length and 20 breadth. So square shape we will get, and square is also one type of rectangle. Then when we will find its area, so side into side, but if 25 meter from all the sides if we will take, so perimeter will be 100, and area will be, what area we will get? 25 into 25, that means 625 square meter. Okay, in this way, if 5 so opposite sides 5 and 5 10, so 90 will be there, so 45 45. So what will be the area? So many uncountable possibilities we can take for making rectangle. 5 10, then 15, so two sides are 15 plus 15 30, 100 minus 30 70, then other two sides will be 35 35. Then find the area. So many possibilities. Now other rectangle may be 5 by 45 meter, because area we will calculate, but first we will add 5 plus 5 10, and 45 plus 45 90, so 100 meter wire. Okay, now the second also will be 35 40 50, and length and breadth, and third also 25 by 25, that means the square, all the sides are equal, but square is also one type of a rectangle, and so many we can calculate. Suppose that if in place of 5 meter we are taking 4 meters, so 4 and 4 opposite sides are equal, so 4 and 4 8, and left will be 100 minus 8, that means 92, and just a half, so 46. So in so many rectangles we can form with the help of 100 meter wire. Okay, the third side, if we are taking 3 meters, so 600 minus 694 divided by 2. So in this way uncountable rectangles we gets. That's why I have written here and so many. Area of first rectangle is, you can see, length into breadth 5 into 45, then 225 square meter, and same way you can see area of second rectangle and area of third rectangle. In area of third rectangle you can see the same, the square side into side, because square is also one type of rectangle, but rectangle is not a square. In a square all sides are always equal. So side into side or length into breadth 625 square meter and so on. And we can compare all and so on. That means uncountable rectangles we will get. Now the third rectangle has biggest area, that is 625 square meter. Okay. Her wife is very intelligent. So here I am solving first, then I will tell. Okay, what other rectangles can he make with 100 meters of wire? Discuss which of these rectangles will have the biggest area. Okay, so uncountable we can make. 25 already I, but here we will write. Okay, now her wife is telling, I want this piece of land. It covers an area of 800 square meter. That means in the round shape. What she has done with the help of 100-meter wire, she formed a circle. Why did Chengu not choose a rectangle? Explain. Because when the rectangle he will choose, he will get less part of land. When he will take round shape, that means circular shape, he will get more. Okay, Chengu has taken 800 square meter of land. Anar, now I will give you as much gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meter. Now for Anar, what the king is telling? I will give you as much as gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area of 100 square meter. That means this much of gold king will give to Anar. Okay. After that, Chengu's wife asked him to make a circle with fire. She knew it had an area 800 square meter. That means boundary. And the formula of circle's boundary, that means circumference of circle, is 2 pi r. And it is not the related with this shape, so only you will read this. Okay, she knew it had an area of 800 square meter. That's why she has chosen the circle shape. Why did Chengu's not choose a rectangle? Because no one rectangle is having 800 square meter area, less than we are getting. That's why Chengu did not choose that rectangle. Okay, Chengu has taken 800 square meter of land. Now I will give you as much gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meter. Here for Chengu's, take as much as land comes within 100 meter of wire. And here the king is given to Anar. I will give you as much as gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 100 square meter. Vice versa. Now the king will give gold wire to Anar. Okay. So Anar also tried many different ways to make boundary for 800 square meter of land. So what he has done for that? He made rectangles A, B and C of different sizes. Find out the length of boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get for these rectangles? So see here, the area should be 800. So 4 2s are 8 and 2 0. And a boundary is 40 plus 20, 60 multiplied by 2. That means when you will add length plus breadth, perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. Length is 40 meter and breadth is 20 meter. So 40 plus 20, 60 multiplied by 2. But The king will give only 100 meter of gold wire, so not possible. Now first area, 18 to 10. Okay, so 800 square meter area, but gold wire, when we will add this 80 plus 10, 90, and 2 into 90, that means 180 meter. See, 800 meter into 1 meter, 800 square meter area we are getting, but gold wire for C is 800 plus 1, 801 and multiply by 2. So perimeter will be so much of this. But then Anar made an even longer rectangle. So perimeter, I told you so much of that. How much? 800 plus 1, 801 multiply by 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2. Oh my God, 1602. Okay. Now, but then Anar made an even longer rectangle. See how long? Okay, 8000 meter into 0.1 meter. So he will get length into breadth. So 8000 before one digit point square meter. Got it? Now when we find the perimeter of this, so perimeter of this will be 8001 plus 8000 plus 0.1, 8000 plus 0.1. Okay, so answer will be, rough work I am doing, okay, 8000.1 multiply by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 2 eights are 16 before one digit point. It is the perimeter. Okay, so 2 here also, perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, now see Gosh, how can I give so much of gold? Because king told, if 800 square meter lane you will cover this, then I will give you gold wire of that much of length. Can you make a rectangle with a still longer boundary? Yes, we can make. I made a rectangle 1 centimeter wide and 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, 80,000 meter long, the length of so much of length. So length is this, what? 80,000 meter, and the breadth is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter we will change into meter. So we will get 1 upon 100 or 0.01. Okay. So length into breadth. So this 20, what we can do? 80,000 into 1 upon 100. This 20 cancel by this 20. So answer 800 square meter area we are getting. Now length of wire will be, add this in 0.01. So we will, what we will get? Perimeter 2 into 80,000 plus 0.01. So 2 into 80,000.01. So 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh my God, that much of length. One stands 100,000, 10,000, 1,60,000 meter length of wire. Clear? Now do you understand why the king fainted? चक्कर आ गए उसको कि इतनी लेंथ तो मैं कितना इसको गोल्ड दे पाऊंगा. Okay, so here the chapter is finished. So you will write area of rectangle A here. I am not having a space, that's why I have not written, but area I have written. So area of rectangle A equal to length into breadth 40 into 20, that means 800 square meter. Now perimeter of gold wire for A is equal to 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. Length is 40, breadth is 20. 40, 20, 60, 2 into 60, 120 meter. B and C area also you will calculate, and perimeter also you will calculate for rectangle B and C. Now for rectangle D I am calculating. So area of rectangle D equal to length into breadth 8000 into 0.1. 8000 ones are 8000. Before one digit we will put point, that means decimal, and before because of decimal the zero will cancel. So 800 square meter area according to king's demand. Now perimeter of D is equal to, that means rectangle D is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B, 8000 plus 0.1, 8000.1 into 2. So we will get 16,000.2 meter. Oh my God, that much gold. That means wire, that much length of wire Anar will get. And see next what will be happen. Now this is the area for that bird. Previously I have solved the sum. So much of length we got. Then king thought, वो तो बेहोश हो गया और भगवान को याद करने लगा कि how I will give that much length of wire. But below that bird you can see. So what you will do, after solving previous sum, you will write the king's dialogue कि वो बेहोश हो गया और वो भगवान को याद कर रहा था. Then you will write for bird's paragraph. Birds is also saying something. Okay, I can make much length of rectangle or wire. I can get so much of gold from the king. How? Length he has it has increased, and breadth has taken 1 centimeter. Length is given 80,000 meter. It has taken. Now see here, breadth is given in 1 centimeter. So centimeter we will change into meter because length is given in meter. So centimeter, for changing into meter we will divide by 100 because in 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now area is equal to length into breadth. So 80,000 multiplied by 0.01. So 80,000 ones are 80,000, and before 2 digit we will put decimal. So 800 square meter length covered according to area. Now perimeter we will calculate by using this length and breadth. So perimeter equal to 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. So 2 80,000 plus 0.01. So 2 into 80,000.01 multiply 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 0, 0, 2 eights are 16. Before 2 digit we will put decimal. So oh my God, वो तो राजा गरीब हो जाएगा ना. So see here how much length Anar will get. So here the chapter over. You will complete your chapter in systematic way. I have solved again this chapter. Why? Because in those PDFs or solution I send every time in that not solved in proper way. That's why I have solved on the green board. Okay, bye bye.